Well, it's 19th of April, folks, and surprise, surprise, finally some authorities came and fixed that red and white warning boxes there, temporary signboard. Yeah, finally you are listening, whoever you are. And I'm very much tempted to fix this reflector onto those board there. So is that going to be legal if I help you a bit, Mr. Government? That's the way you should be protecting people's life. But hopefully that is visible at night. I'm gonna test it tonight if I can see those. And look at those cars. At night they are driving the same speed like hell. Okay? So I'm going there and try and stick some reflectors on it. I've been planning to do a reflector signboard, but finally they placed that on the U-turn location. So let's see how it goes. And if some idiot is going to crash onto the pavement tonight, well, they should crash against those plastic signboard first. Good for you. There's a plastic there now. And I've added those reflectors with a turn right sign. Good for you guys. Good for you. Good for you. I'm approaching the U-turn for Donggongon to see if the one there is visible. Well, it's not visible. It's finally it's visible there. The reflector. Only at a close range that is visible. So at least it got some effective, and that's the reflector that I installed. Okay.